Englishman River Falls Provincial Park is a quiet oasis located near Parksville on Vancouver Island. It features 2 amazing waterfalls, an old-growth Douglas Fir forest, and so much more. Come check it out.
We are visiting Englishman River Falls today. We drove from Parksville to Arrington and now we are at Englishman River Falls. We're going to hike up to the falls and check out the forest. It's pretty incredible in here. The forest is gorgeous and you can hear the sound of the falls crashing as you hike down towards them. Wow, hey? We're literally standing right on top of the waterfall. The suspension bridge goes all the way across, right where it comes crashing down.
There are some massive trees out here. Now we are heading to the lower falls. Hopefully there's another bridge to get back across. We found one of BC's famous slugs. Abby just about had a heart attack. Hey Abby, you want to see something gross?
Yeah.
See all this slime on the ground? That's from the slugs. Ew.
The hike to the upper falls took about 2 minutes from the parking lot, and now we've looped around over the bridge and we're headed to the lower falls, and we've been hiking for about 10 minutes so far, but we have kids so it always takes us a little longer.
We found the lower falls. Came down to see the river's edge, so be careful. There's lots of roots and slippery rocks and places to twist your ankle, so walk carefully.
Question for my viewers. There's this scent out here. It's like this woodsy scent, but it's kind of like a mix between marijuana and licorice. We're trying to figure out what plant would make that smell. So if anybody out there knows, please leave the answer in the comments because it's driving me bonkers.
We left the lower falls behind and returned to the parking lot up a somewhat steeply graded hill. Thus ended our trip to Englishman River Falls. What's your favorite waterfall hike? Let me know in the comments below. Also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Join my online travel community. For more things to do on Vancouver Island, check out my BC playlist or just search my channel.